Guy. Hey, man.
¿Qué me pasa en their hands? Sorry. The pirate. Oh, yours is going fast. Oh, it's very nice.
Walking on the beach with the family. Rihanna, you know what I forgot?
What?
The microphone.
Good job.
Yep. Forgot the microphone.
Oh, it feels so good.
I would love to have one of those houses right on the beach side. It looks so nice.
Oh, he has a picture.
Living by the beach and looking at the sunset every day. It looks so nice. All these birds. Whoa, these birds better not poop on me. Stop fighting. Hey, you want to stay back there? They're going to take pictures still? The girls. That was so nice. Somebody loved it, right? You loved it? Yeah. Just love the pictures. We're going to show the pictures. I'm going to post them up right here so that way you guys can see them. Bam. She's walking on bird poop. We should come back when it's dark, like we did last time, babe. After we eat dinner. Yeah. Oh, let's go to Storm over there. I know. I don't know how he's doing that. Look at that. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it's got a pour or whatever. There it goes, right there. Look at that. Let's go before it comes. Someone has blisters on her toes.
Stop before you read really bad. Is that the little cages for the sea turtle?
Yeah.
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 Yeah,
It's okay.
I can't, it hurts.
No, ya te mandó.